Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Get ready to nail your style with our latest nail art tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to create a stunning and sophisticated nail art combination using brown and light gray colors. Whether you are looking for an elegant everyday look or something perfect for a special occasion. Welcome to our nail art tutorial. Today we are going to explore the enchanting combination of brown and light gray. This chic nail art design is perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your style. Let's begin with a clear base coat to protect your nails and ensure a smooth finish. Next, apply a base layer of light gray polish to your nails. Make sure it's evenly coated. Now it's time to add those stunning light gray accents. You can use a nail art brush or tape for clean lines. Get creative with your nail art details, striped dots or even French tip. The choice is yours. And add a star of design and make sure you like it design. And there you have it, a gorgeous brown and light grey nail art combination that's sure to turn heads. Don't forget to seal the deal with a top coat for long lasting beauty. And this design, you see this design, how much beautiful design, and simple and brown and light gray combination. Add some 3-star design and make sure you like it design and beautiful design. So please subscribe my channel and follow me, and please support me. If you love this tutorial, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.